Incremental greetings. This is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Today, I want to share with you something I recently discovered. I came across to one duplicate, to a wake.
Wake up.
So here and
Wake
here.
up.
If you notice, you have two different ID numbers. So if we go to the knowledge tree, one to awake item is under entertainment and relaxation,
Wake up.
and the other is under actions and positions. But I discovered this duplicate for pure chance, because I was messing around with the collection. So I reported this on Supermemo PM. And then Wozniak said that, oh, you will struggle to find more duplicates because user has been reporting duplicates for years, right? It's okay, so I did challenge accepted. So what I did is I created a small Python script. And I found out 46, not 47, but 46 duplicates, because one of them is a false positive. So here you have the elements of the duplicate pair and the question and answer. All of this is from the main branch, advanced English, spelling, grammar, pronunciation, and so on. So all of the branches have duplicates, even if it's just two. And finally, there's one false positive here. If I look at this element,
Attic.
it's okay. A room like space building below the roof used for storing all things. Attic. Gotcha. Why this is a duplicate? Now I already changed, I added this as myself. Because what happened is that you have the same.
Attic.
The only difference was the template. One is the advanced English and the other was the spelling. Because the S was missing. And even that, this is for exact duplicates. That the question and the answer is exactly the same. Because sometimes the answer will be exactly the same. For instance, when you are managing synonyms or similar expressions that you want to recall what's the meaning of. So that's not a duplicate. It has to be the question the same as well. But this is what you can do, or very easily you can do with machines. But what about the semantic duplicates? So it's not exactly the same. Here's one very easy example because it's a duplicate of both, and that's real. It's a stockholder in business. It's a duplicate. Okay. But then again, you have the same, but using the US, specifying US. So the only thing is that here you're specifying its business, and then specifying its American English. So what I will suggest is merging those into one. Okay, this is easy, because it's just the same, only the conventions are different. Easy to spot. But what about if it's semantic? Here I don't have an example yet. But let's take this for instance. A room like, let's go for the attic.
Attic.
Okay, I may have this. Let's say I don't remember that. And I will create a different item, but with a different expression, a different wording, like the most top story of a building, usually used for storing things or stuff. Attic.